Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
These kinds of questions also UPSC will ask. Okay, it is a purely current affair based question and it's all about the current affairs only. Simple thing about this is recently, okay, before this question paper arrives, the government made the amendment related to the MSME. Okay, the definition about the MSME. Okay, earlier the definition for the MSME will be in a split manner. Okay, for manufacturing there is separate difference. For service sector there will be separate definition. Okay, such a way there will be the separate definition for both manufacturing and service sector. Okay, but before this question, okay, before the 2022 question, okay, they made some changes in the MSME and they gave a new definition for a MSME with single definition for both manufacturing and service sector. Okay, so based on which this question was asked. Okay, it is one of the simplest question. Okay, and the pattern wise also this question is the most simple one because it's all about which of the following which of the statements given above are correct. Okay, it's about one only, two only, both one and two, this pattern only. So it's an easy pattern. Okay, so let's discuss about the definitions of it. Okay, after 14 years, okay, after 14 years they changed the definition for the MSME. So it is in the current affair. For that only they asked it in the UPSC question also, UPSC Prelims also. Okay, so this is the definition. Okay, for a micro, the investments will be not more than 1 crore and the turnover shouldn't be greater than 5 crore. Okay, investment and annual turnover. Okay, less than 1 crore, less than 5 crore. Okay, next, small. The definition is the annual investment. The investment will be not more than 10 crore and the turnover shouldn't be greater than 50 crore. Okay, next, medium. Okay, it shouldn't be, the investment shouldn't be greater than 50 crore and the turnover shouldn't be greater than 250 crore. Okay, so this is the basic thing they did. Okay, they just changed the definition for the MSME in which they clubbed the both manufacturing and service sector in a single definition. Okay, that is the basic thing happened in the current event. From that they asked this question. Okay, so the first statement is all about the definition only. Okay, see, according to the MSME Development Act 2006, the medium enterprises are those with the investments in plant and machineries between 15 crore and 25 crore. Okay, then so the first statement is wrong. Okay, then the second statement is all bank loans to the MSME qualify under the priority sector. This is the major thing. So you have to know about what is priority sector lending. Okay, first of all, why priority sector lending? See, usually bank will be run on the profit motive. Okay, they will be run towards the profits. Okay, so they don't think about the inclusivity. Okay, so they will always lend to the business people. Okay, they won't focus on the agri sector. Okay, or they won't focus on any educational health sector. Their major motive is towards making a profit. Okay, so they won't consider about the weaker sections of the society. To enhance the lending towards such sections of the people, okay, vulnerable sections of the people, they come with the plan called as priority sector lending. Okay, it was done in 1966. Okay, they done it in the 1966. Okay, at the time period of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Okay, they come with this idea. Okay, priority sector lending, which means if you have 100 rupees in your bank account, the bank should lend at least 40 rupees towards this priority sector people or a weaker section of the people. Okay, this is the main condition. If the bank is having 100 rupees as a deposit, for example, they have to lend at least 40 rupees to this weaker section of the people. Okay, so this is the basic idea. Okay, even they can spend 40 or more than 40, but at least 40 rupees should be spent towards the weaker section of the society. Okay, that is called as priority sector lending. Okay, I am speaking about this 40 rupees means 40%. Okay, 40% they have to spend towards this priority sector lending. Okay, priority sector people. Okay, this definition is very for public sector banks, private sector banks, and for scheduled commercial banks. Okay, and for a foreign banks there will be certain other definition. Okay, but every banks, okay, even though it is a foreign bank, they have certain percentage they have to lend towards these sections of the people. Okay, this 40% I am speaking is about the public sector bank. Okay, so if there is a public sector bank, consider that if it is an SBI, they have the 100 rupees as their deposit, means in which 40 rupees, okay, at least 40 rupees should be spent towards the weaker section of the society. Okay, that is the basic motto behind this priority sector lending. Okay, so this is all about the priority sector. Okay, in this the priority sector, they will list down a lot of things. Okay, like agriculture and allied sectors and the self-help group. Okay, and in which also it contains a small, micro, small and medium scale enterprises also comes under it. Okay, micro, small, medium scale enterprises also comes under it. Okay, so MSME also in the priority sector lending. Okay, and please note that PSL was defined by K.S. Krishnaswamy committee. Okay, see, I will just inform you what are the committees related to what are the fields. Okay, what are the topics. So please note it. It is more important. They may make a questions related to that also. So K.S. Krishnaswamy committee gave the definition for this priority sector lending. Okay, came at the time period of Lal Bahadur Shastri government. Okay, but they defined what are the things are comes under the priority sector. Okay, that things are defined by this K.S. Krishnaswamy committee. Okay, so the answer for this question is 2 only. Okay, so it is comes under the MSME. The MSMEs comes under the priority sector lending. So this statement is correct. Okay, so the answer is B, 2 only. Okay.